Hi folks, this is mutually exclusive events in probability. So the probability of A or B, that's the probability of A or B, is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B together, so A intersecting B. Here's an example. Probability from a pack of cards that you draw a club is 13 out of 52, or 1/4. Probability that you draw a king, there's 4 kings in a pack, that's 4 out of 52, or 1/13. Now here the probability that of a club or a king, so you can try and think about all of the cards that are a club or a king if you want and count them up, which wouldn't be too hard. Or I'll just use the formula here just so we can see why the formula will work. So that's the probability of a club plus the probability of a king minus the probability of a club and a king. So the amount of clubs in the pack is 1/4, like we found. Probability of a king in the pack is 1 out of 13, and probability of a king and a club together is so that you're thinking about how many cards are clubs and kings. So there's only one card, that's the king of clubs, so that's 1/52, and if you put that in the calculator you get 4/13. Now the probability of a red card there is, well, it's half. There's half of them are red cards. Probability of a queen, there's 4 queens in the pack, so that's 1/13 or 4/52. Now probability of a red card or a queen, so that's the probability of a red plus probability of a queen minus the probability of a red intersecting queen. So probability of a red is a half, probability of a queen is 1/13. Take away the probability of a red intersecting a queen. There's only one card that's a red, and there's 2 cards that are a red and a queen. There's a queen of diamonds and a queen of hearts, so take away 2/15 and we get 7/13 when we simplify. Here's another example. It's just use that formula again. We know that the probability of A union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersecting B. And we have everything. We're looking for probability of A intersecting B here. So 4/5, I'm just subbing in what they are now. Probability of A union B is 4/5. Probability of A is 19/30. And probability of B is 2/5. Then if we just move the 19/30 and the 2/5 to the other side, we'll get what probability of A, because that's minus there, it's easier to move that over to the left hand side first. So it's just using rules of algebra. Probability of A intersecting B is 19/30 plus 2/5 minus 4/5, and we get 7/30 there.